You're in for a treat this afternoon. We're here at Mara's on Spencerville Road in Lima. This is a phenomenal place. I just discovered it. You're going to really enjoy it. Come on in. It's a unique place. I hear about it all over town. What do you think makes it so unique in relation to the other restaurants in the community?
I believe it's the energy. People really like the energy. They like the quaintness. They like that it's small, that we have a deck outside. They appreciate the fine food, and our wine prices are just unbelievable.
So show us what you're going to prepare for us today. A couple great favorites here at Mara's.
This is called the ceviche, and it's my twist on it. It's a seafood mix of scallops, shrimp, lobster, crab, and various seasonings. We'll start off, it's a nice bowl.
A little bit of greens here, mixed greens.
Some spring mix, Swiss chard.
A little arugula in there.
Little arugula, radicchio. And then we move on to this mixture, which is lump lobster meat, halved shrimp, okay? Roughly, I like to stay in between 3 and 4 ounce portions.
Now for me, this would be enough right as it is, but you know, we got to make it decorative, don't we?
That's right. Ceviche is a dish that is prepared a little differently as far as the method of cooking the fish.
Right.
We're using acid to cook it instead of heat.
Okay.
So it's in the refrigerator, lime juice, lemon juice, cilantro for until you know your desired firmness and texture. But it is a fully cooked product when it comes out. What we add is our spices. This is fresh ground peppercorn medley, kosher salt, sumac. Sumac is a Turkish spice that accentuates citrus flavors. You want to go with a little bit of scallion, and put a little bit of diced tomato, a little bit of diced avocado, going with some more of the sumac, a little more of the green onion. Then, don't skimp on the olive oil. I prefer Kalamata.
Okay.
It has a richer, sweeter flavor to put on non-cooked foods. A little bang at the end is jalapeno sauce.
Jalapeno sauce.
That's right.
Try this piece of shrimp here first. You know what? I think I need another bite before I really...
Yeah, get a little bit of everything. That's the fun part about the dish. Is I did a medley as opposed to a traditional ceviche is a single kind of fish, but I put in 4 to 5 so you could sort of explore through the dish. Yeah.
I think I need another bite before I want to be absolutely sure. This is fantastic. You're going to love this. You know, that final jalapeno sauce gives it the perfect tang and
like zip.
That's the word I want to use. The perfect zip.
Yes, zip.
This is phenomenal.
The tuma sashimi is excellent. The filet is excellent. The sea bass. And I can tell you that we've been to restaurants in New York, LA, Chicago, San Antonio. The food here is comparable. Now, if I had to give it a Zagat rating, I'd rate it 25 for food. The service is good, and the decor is Lima.
So, Matt, what's the next dish we're going to prepare? That I don't know how it's going to equal that last one. That was phenomenal, I'm telling you.
Well, let me try.
I could eat that one for breakfast, lunch, and supper. Okay.
So we're doing shrimp embrochette, which just means it's on a stick. It isn't particularly this style. This is the style that I do.
Certainly.
It's crab stuffed with garnished herb cheese wrapped in bacon.
Well, let's look at it.
Skewered and baked. Okay.
Let's look at this.
So you want to start off with your stuffing. Nice lump crab meat. You want to get a good quality crab meat that can match up to the other flavors. So roughly a tablespoon of the crab meat for each shrimp.
Okay.
The goat cheese, more of the
jalapeno sauce.
That's right. More of the sumac, or parsley and green onion. So what happens is you bring this together. You really don't want to mess with the crab meat too much because the flavors are, the shrimp and crab are...
There's just a melange of so many different flavors here that's going to make it phenomenal.
But it's just light enough that, you know, we're not overpowering the proteins. And we want to come in with...
nice jumbo shrimp.
Get a nice shrimp here. And when you're splitting the shrimp to do this dish, of course you want to be very careful, very sharp knife. You want to split it all the way to the tail, leave the tail on so you can virtually lay it flat. And the stuffing part comes in. I'm going to use my fingers. What we'll do is we'll stuff it clear to the end. It's a regular smoked bacon. It's not really a sweet bacon, it's more smoky. My portions, I would make 3 more of these and skewer them would be a single portion.
Let's pull one of these off. Look at that. You can see all the crab meat in there, cheeses. In Lima, Ohio, we get such great things like this. You're going to love this. So come down to Mara's, and until next time, come down here and eat this wonderful, delightful dish. Thanks. See you later.